morning, good night. Oh. Kamusta? Kumain ka na ba? Huwag kang papagutom ah. Funny how those simple messages became so big. Ngayon, medyo nakaka-cringe na siya pakinggan. Pero back then, ang sweet lang.
Teka, wag ka munang aalis, dahil pangako ko ay wala nang lumbay. Di ka na mag-iisa, dito ka na lang sa aking tabi. Mula umaga hanggang gabi, wag ka munang aalis.
B, Baby, Kim Kim, Sunshine. Bago ang lahat, gustong sabihin sa iyo na mahal kita at sobrang saya ko dahil sa wakas, magiging mag-asawa na tayo. Sa loob ng 8 taon, maraming mga kwento ang pwede ko i-share sa mga taong nakapaligid sa ating. Istorya ng araw na may pagmamahalan, kulitan, away, tampuhan, gala, food trip. Pero ang pinakagusto ko ay yung mga araw na tayo lamang. Okay, so kanino to? Carlo. Sa pinsan ko, syempre si Carlo. Yan. Pinag-isipan yan, pinag-isipan. Tapos kay Norlan. Ayan. Tapos kay King. Kasali ba to? Kasali ka ba?
Kasali ako.
Sigurado ka, King pangalan mo?
Oh, gusto mo ID?
Next, Franz. Ayan. Kay Mark. Ayan. Toby. Di ba si, di ba yung isa yung sinali natin, Tobias? Ba Toby na to? So, sino ba to? Siyempre, ang last, si Jezreel. Ayan, best friend. Sasabihin ko sa'yo, wala.
Napilitan, Abby. Namilit, Jo. And sister-in-law, Jasmine. And the maid of honor is Grace. And the sexiest, Tony.
Kinakabahan ako.
Ang napilitan din, Gladys. Ang no choice, Faith.
Sandali, wag ka munang aalis. Kaya ikaw ang happy ending.
Akala ko noon, it was just a phase. That it would end soon. Because back then, I really believed that I will end up alone. But God had other plans. And He led me to
I
you.
knew your voice, I prayed your heart. Through quiet nights, though miles,
I fell in love with the way you made me laugh, even on my worst days. The way you let me feel everything. Kahit iyak, inis, at pagkatopak ko. You never made me feel too much.
I saw your face, I knelt and cried. Lord, send the one.
I admire you for not just for how you love me, but for who you are even when no one is looking and when you feel that no one is listening, even me.
He wrote this day and led me to you. I prayed for you, you prayed for me. Before our hearts had eyes to see, now faith and love have found their place.
And the Lord God caused a deep sleep to fall upon Adam, he slept, and he took one of his ribs and crossed up the flesh instead thereof. And the rib which the Lord God had made from man, made he a woman and brought her unto man. And Adam said, This is now bone of my bones, and flesh of my flesh. She shall be called woman, because she was taken out of man. Therefore shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh.
God kept his word and brought me you.
After this day, legal na tayo sa mata ng Diyos, ng batas at sa mata ng ating mga magulang. opisyal na tagaluto, driver, therapist at asawa mo. Pangako na kapag mag-uutos ka ay hindi na ako magrereklamo. Hindi na rin ako magko-comment ng kalokohan kapag may pinapanood kang vlogger na hindi ko kilala. Hindi na rin magpapatranslate ng Bisaya word para may pang-asar sa Dota.
I pray for you, you pray for me before our hearts had eyes to see. Now faith and love have found their place, two souls made one by boundless grace.
Today, instead of making promises, I offer prayers. I will always pray that God shapes me to be the right helpmate for you, to be a loving and respectful wife, and to support you as the head of our family. I will always pray for you and for us. B, I can't wait to build our life together in God's will, full of love, laughter, and even in the crazy moments. For this day on, I will always choose you, love you, and pray for you, not just until the end of our days, but in every lifetime God allows our soul to meet again.
I promise to choose you every day no matter the circumstances. I promise to be the man that you want me to be, and most of all, I promise that no matter what life brings us, we will never face it alone anymore.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. What therefore God hath joined together, let not man put asunder.